Hello guys, welcome to the new application EDM PULSE. Okay, so here's the back office of EDM PULSE. So you have on your mobile on the App Store or Play Store, you can download EDM PULSE. Okay, and you have a back office. So every of you receive a password and a code. So you tap it and you get into the application EDM PULSE. Okay, and you have this menu. So here EDM PULSE back office. So the first things is to get ports. If you want to add a port, okay, you just click on it. You add the 9 numbers of share mills. You have here a designation. Okay, so just do it. Okay, and the price, for example, 10 or whatever, and the type. So the type you have now, we're gonna do like a machine, a robophile. Okay, so this part goes to the machine FE240cc, for example. Okay, so you have to type exactly that name to synchronize the port you are adding to the machine. Okay, then you have the section. So you have different sections we add. So it's already done. You have to choose. So for example, overhead, the category it's on the overhead is for what? Like a contact, or for example, the weight is in kg, so kilograms. So you have to add, for example, 10 grams in Switzerland. Okay, you can choose your country. You have, if you don't have your country, so we can add it, no problem. And you save it. And then you have a new port add on the list, and you can show it directly on your app. It will appear on the machine you add. Okay, if you have a similar port and you just want to make a copy, so you can make here a copy, change the number like a 90, and you save and copy directly and close it. Okay, if it doesn't appear because you can't refresh the screen, so just get out from the menu and on again, and you will see, okay, it appears here exactly those parts. Okay, there is no pictures, so if there is no pictures, that the number doesn't fit to saved pictures made by Nico. Okay,